the valve stem, or the valve push rod, the exhaust push rod. This is the intake aluminum one, but the exhaust one flew off into the bottom of the engine through a little port there. Holy smokes, right? Piece of rods and knocking around the bottom of the engine. And here what I find is sometimes you can get down in your oil port. What I do is cut this, because I didn't take this off. I don't want to crack this here. But I cut the connector on here, pulled the whole stem out, and stuck a magnet into the port and pulled out that rod. It actually worked. Just installed the rod there, got it all installed, and we're going to see if I can't get it fired up. See if both sides actually fire. Side starts up.